A day at the market. Maria lives in a small town near the mountains. Every Saturday morning, she goes to the market with her mother. The market is big and busy, with many people selling fruits, vegetables, clothes, and other things. Maria loves going to the market because there is so much to see. One sunny Saturday, Maria and her mother wake up early. Maria quickly gets dressed and eats her breakfast. Are we ready to go? She asks her mother. Yes, let's go, her mother replies, smiling. They walk to the market, which is about 10 minutes from their house. When they arrive, Maria sees colorful stalls everywhere. One stall has fresh apples, oranges, and bananas. Another stall has red tomatoes and green cucumbers. There is even a stall selling bread and cakes. Maria, let's buy some vegetables first, her mother says. Maria and her mother stop at a stall with a big pile of potatoes and carrots. The man at the stall smiles at them. Good morning. What would you like today? He asks. We need a kilo of potatoes and a half kilo of carrots, please, Maria's mother says. The man weighs the vegetables and puts them in a bag. Here you go, he says. Maria's mother pays him and they move to the next stall. At the fruit stall, Maria sees something interesting. Look, Mom, those are mangoes. Can we buy some? Okay, her mom says. We will buy 2 mangoes. After buying fruits and vegetables, Maria and her mother walk to the clothes section. Maria sees dresses, hats, and shoes. She finds a blue scarf that she really likes. Mom, can I have this scarf? It's so pretty. Her mother looks at the scarf. How much is it? She asks the woman at the stall. It's $5, the woman says. Okay, Maria, you can have it, her mother says. Maria is very happy. She wraps the scarf around her neck and smiles. Before they leave the market, Maria and her mother stop at a small stall selling ice cream. Do you want an ice cream, Maria? Her mother asks. Yes, please, Maria says excitedly. Maria chooses a chocolate ice cream, and her mother gets a vanilla one. They sit on a bench and enjoy their ice cream. When they finish, Maria says, I love coming to the market. It's so much fun. Her mother smiles and says, I'm glad you like it. The market is a special place. Maria and her mother walk home with their bags full of fruits, vegetables, and other things. Maria can't wait to come back next week. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.